Joy Alcuso.
His Excellency Abdul Malik Melvin Castillo, Malaysian Ambassador to the Philippines. Australia Assistant Secretary Ferdinand Alonso. DOST MRDC Executive Director Engineer Robert Dizon. Informal Markets Singapore Managing Director Sukumar Gurney. GP Capital Auto and Mobility Holdings Chairman Vicente Soto. Excellencies, partners from government and the private sector, exhibitors and innovators, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of President Director General Teresa Olanga, it is my pleasure to join you today as we officially open the Auto Parts and Vehicles Expo 2025, a highly anticipated event that brings together the key players, thinkers, and movers in the global automotive and mobility industry. Congratulations to the organizers. This international expo is a testament to the bold affirmation of our collective ambition to drive the Philippines forward through industrial innovation, global competitiveness, and sustainable development. It is a convergence of visionaries, manufacturers, suppliers, technologists, and policy enablers who all share a common goal of making the country achieve the progress we envision with all the advantages presented today. The automotive and EV sectors are poised for a remarkable growth industry globally, and the Philippines is ready to take on a bigger role. Our country sits at a strategic crossroads in the Asia Pacific, with preferential access to large markets, strong macroeconomic fundamentals, and a young, tech-savvy, and English-speaking workforce. From skilled workers and engineers to local suppliers and transport networks, the automotive value chain supports livelihoods across the country, particularly in regions hosting economic zones. Today, the Philippines is not only a consumer of advanced mobility solutions, but increasingly a contributor to the regional and global supply chains for automotive components, electronics, and EV-related technologies. From wire harnesses and semiconductors to vehicle electronics and power systems, our export base is growing, and so is our capacity for innovation. PEZA has long been a trusted partner of both local and international investors, championing ease of doing business, promoting strategic investments, and creating a conducive ecosystem for industries to thrive. Allow me to highlight the significant contributions of the automotive sector within PEZA-registered economic zones. About 66 PEZA-registered enterprises already injected over 121 billion pesos of investments from 2007 to 2024. It provided employment to more than 31,000 Filipinos as of December 2024, a testament to its critical role in driving economic activity, and industrial growth. These automotive and auto parts manufacturers in our ecozones, some of whom are participating in the expo, are now pivoting towards electric vehicles, sustainable mobility, and advanced manufacturing. These enterprises span a wide array of activities, from the production of motor vehicle parts and engines to electric ignition systems and even coachwork for passenger vehicles and locomotives. Even more importantly, it is noteworthy to mention that the automobile industry has become a key platform for high-tech manufacturing, innovation, and green transformation, especially as we embrace the global shift toward electric vehicles, connected mobility, and low-emission transport systems. We are proud to have served as a launchpad for our companies that have grown from companies assembling becoming part of global supply networks. All these are proof that the Philippines has all the ingredients to become a key player in the regional and global automotive landscape. What we need is to harness that potential with the right mix of policy support, public-private collaboration, and investment promotion. And that is exactly what today's expo aims to celebrate. As the agency mandated to keep, develop, and promote special economic zones across the country, PESA is proud to be part of this important initiative. Our participation in the APB Expo 2025 reflects our enduring commitment to attracting strategic and responsible investments in sectors that matter, sectors that create jobs, bring in technology, support MSMEs, and foster inclusive innovation network. For years, PESA has provided a stable and investor-friendly environment for companies involved in automotive manufacturing and related industries. We continue to host globally recognized brands and suppliers in our episodes, from tier 1 manufacturers to parts and component makers, contributing to the competitiveness of our country in the global value chain. With the EV Industrial Development Act or EVIDA law, and the National Development Plan reinforcing the EV roadmap, PESA is actively aligning its policies to support the entire EV value chain, from R&D and battery production to vehicle manufacturing, logistics, and charging infrastructure. These, combined with a comprehensive set of fiscal and non-fiscal incentives, such as income tax holidays, enhanced deductions, duty-free importation of capital equipment, streamlined business registration, customs and investment facilitation services, is designed not only to attract new investments, but also to support expansion, retooling, technological upgrading of existing operations. PESA is also working towards the integration of domestic producers into the economic value chain through the reverse trade fair program done in participation with various expositions like APB 2025 to further improve the investment environment in the episodes. This is our support to industry development as we enhance the episode supply of global value chains and effectively attract more strategic and targeted FDIs into the country, which will help attain our goal of an upper middle income economy. We see APB Expo 2025 as a true convergence point, a meeting ground where manufacturers, suppliers, technology providers, and policymakers can explore synergies, find solutions, and form long-term partnerships. We hope that the next few days will not only open new business opportunities, but also strengthen your confidence in the Philippines as a dynamic investment destination for auto parts, vehicles, and advanced manufacturing. PESA remains your committed partner in this journey, where to support, facilitate, and accelerate your growth in our episodes and beyond. Maraming salamat, and we look forward to seeing you around in the expo as we drive forward together toward a more competitive, resilient, and future-ready Philippines industry para sa bagong Pilipinas. Thank you and mabuhay tayo.